In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning 3D text in PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to make a presentation more engaging or want to add a creative twist to your slides, creating 3D text is a great way to grab attention. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you can master this technique with ease. First, start by opening PowerPoint on your computer and make sure your presentation is ready to go. Once you have it open, navigate to the specific slide where you want to add your 3D text. This could be a title slide, a section header, or anywhere you think some added pizzazz might be beneficial. If you haven't yet added text to your slide, insert a text box and type in whatever you'd like to transform into 3D text. Now that your text is ready, click on it to select it. Then locate the Shape Format tab at the top of your screen. By default, you might be in the Home or Insert tab, so be sure to switch over to Shape Format. This tab gives you access to a variety of text styling options that will help bring your 3D effect to life. Within the Shape Format tab, look for Text Effects. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on Text Effects will open a drop-down menu with several options, including shadow, reflection, glow, and most importantly, 3D rotation and 3D format. Choose the 3D effect you like best and experiment with different styles to see which one best suits the theme and tone of your presentation. Once you've applied a 3D effect, you can further enhance your text by right-clicking on it and selecting Format Text Effects. This opens a sidebar with more in-depth customization options. Here, you can increase the depth of your 3D effect, adjust the contour, and even play with lighting and surface effects to make your text pop off the slide. Don't forget to adjust the color of the depth and contour to match your presentation's color scheme. This subtle tweak can greatly improve the overall aesthetics and cohesion of your slides. You can also experiment with different angles and rotation settings to give your text a dynamic perspective. Remember, the key to great 3D text is balance. Too much depth or overly bright colors can distract from your main content. Always preview your slide in slideshow mode to ensure the effect enhances rather than overwhelms your presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully created stunning 3D text in PowerPoint. With these techniques, your presentations will capture your audience's attention and leave a lasting impression. Don't be afraid to experiment, mix styles, and explore the creative possibilities PowerPoint has to offer. Your slides can truly become works of art with just a few simple adjustments, and happy presenting.